Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today, we're taking a look at the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum, a smart, self-emptying cleaning powerhouse that promises to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Check out the link in the description for the best price. This vacuum is packed with matrix clean technology, meaning it doesn't just do a single pass over your floors. It cleans in a precise grid pattern, making multiple passes to ensure no dirt or dust is left behind. This is perfect for high-traffic areas and homes with pets. One of the standout features is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 30 days of dust and debris. That means you can go an entire month without having to worry about emptying it yourself. And since it's a bagless system with HEPA filtration, it's a great option for allergy sufferers, capturing pet dander and fine dust particles with ease. Navigation is another strong point. The AI-powered laser mapping system scans your home and creates an accurate map for efficient cleaning. You can even set no-go zones and schedule cleanings directly from the SharkClean app. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start a cleaning session with just your voice. Let's talk performance. The powerful suction makes it highly effective on both carpets and hardwood floors. If you have pets, this vacuum is built to handle stubborn pet hair without clogging. It automatically increases suction when detecting carpets and adjusts to different floor types seamlessly. Pros: Smart AI navigation for precise cleaning. Self-emptying base holds a month's worth of debris. HEPA filtration traps allergens and pet dander. Strong suction power, ideal for carpets and hardwood. Wi-Fi and voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Cons: larger base unit requires more space. Can be slightly noisy at maximum suction. Price is on the higher side compared to budget models. Overall, the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a hands-free, high-performance cleaning solution. With AI-powered mapping, powerful suction, and a self-emptying base, this is a serious upgrade for any home. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best price.